Okay, so now we have our pattern, right? Paragraph, name of the animal, image source code, and then our credit. So we've created our pattern. Now we'll just copy it. Control C to copy. If you want, you can type out all these individually. No big deal, but I would prefer to just copy paste. Okay, so I have my bush frog twice. The next one they want to use is this crazy looking dime frog. So I'm going to get the name. Control C to copy. Go to my second one that I've put in here. Control V. Right, so I've just changed the name of it. Now I'm going to change the picture. It was called Dime. So again, make sure I'm on the right one. Dime. But it was .png, not JPEG, right? So dime.png. There it is. Now I'm going to grab the credit. Control C to copy. And paste it in here. Control V to paste. And there's the credit. So we have our first one, second one, now our tree frog. So again, here's my pattern. I'm going to copy it, Control C. Now I'm going to paste it, Control V. And now here's my second dime frog, I'll call it. And I'm going to change this to the red-eyed tree frog. So I'll get the name, red-eyed tree frog, Control C. Paste the name in here. Control V. Right, now the name is changed. Now I'm going to change the name of the source. I call it tree frog. There it is, tree frog. The tree frog picture's changed. Now grab that credit. Control C copy. Control C paste. Now I have my tree frog done. Now the fire salamander. Get my code. Copy it. Paste it. Fire salamander. Ooh, I made a mistake. Look at the alternative text. I kept it at Connie Bushfrog for all of these. And that is just a lazy mistake. So I gotta fix it, copy it here, paste the correct information there. Right, this one's a Connie Bushfrog, this one is not. This is a red-eyed tree frog. So I'm going to copy it, paste it in here. Now we're in business. Fire salamander. So I paste the fire salamander in here, Control V, and I put it in the alternate text. Control V. Now I add the source, which is Sal. So I'm going to select that, change it to Sal. S-A-L. Now my fire salamander shows up, and then give it the credit. And the credit's good. And the last one is this axolotl. So I'm gonna copy my clean code that I know works. Control C, copy. Paste it in here. Copy the name of the animal. Paste it in here. Also paste it in here in the alt text. Now change the source from Sal to fish, and my axolotl shows up. Now I need to give it the credit. Control C, Control V, and that bubble is completed. Right, we got them all in there. Yep, good job. Okay, on this one, they want you to add a new image into this picture, right? And you need to find a picture that you are legally allowed to use and upload it. So let's go to Creative Commons, because that is where you can find free stuff. Here it is. When we share, everyone wins. Okay, now I'm going to search for an image. And this was dogs versus cats. So I'll add a picture of a dog and a cat on this picture. I mean, under dogs versus cats. So I'll type in dog, cat, search. And look, that one picture shows up similar to this one. So that's probably the same person. And here's a picture of a dog and a cat. So I'm going to select it. Right. And now I'm going to download this picture. Right click. Save image as. And I'm going to call it dog cat. I'm going to save it to my desktop so I know where it is. So I click on desktop. Dog cat is the name. Hit save. And now look, this is the credit. So I'm going to copy the credit. Go to my website. I'm going to put the picture here, right? So first thing I'm going to do is add the credit because I have the credit copied into my computer memory. So caret P caret. Control V to paste the credits. Caret / P. Caret. Okay, I have my credit in here. Now I need to add the picture. And let's just grab this source code. That way I don't have to type it all out again. Control C. Control V. Alright. So now I've got my code, but I don't have my picture in here. Right, so I'm going to add an image. Add image. I'm uploading a file. Now I find that dog cat picture. Open it. Here's the dog cat, right? It's there. I close out of this. And now I have my dog cat, right? So I'm going to go to my code. Change my source code from the dog jumping to dog cat. Right? Dog cat. There it is. change my alt text to dog and cat. And we're done.